Hey everybody, this is Dave and I hope you're having an excellent start to your October. October is one of my favorite months. I love Halloween, I love fall, I love the dropping temperatures. Thank God it's here. So, onto this. Okay, I got a beautiful 29 View just arrived. It's going to be about 35 feet. And it is from tip of the tongue to the very end, and it's about 8,000 pounds, a little over, dry. This unit has tankless water heater, and it also is prepped for washer and dryer. So not only you get those huge windows, you get a little bit of everything. So let's move on around. It's got a solar panel on top. Got a little outdoor kitchen here. A little fridge for beverages, and prep for the ladder on the go, prep for backup camera, and there's your tankless water heater, enclosed underbelly. So let's go inside. So this one's a little bit different than the 24 view. 24 view, where you would open right there. This one is the latch is right in here, so that's how all that looks there. So the bunks are back here, and so you can have your little sitting space there and do your work. Look how big this window is. So you go in here and then you have your bunks. This can, I guess that can raise up apparently. No, maybe not. So bunk underneath, really the floor, and then there's that. And one thing I didn't show on the other video is the little button here is for a fan right here, and so it goes right there. So it pumps that cold air in here, and there are heater ducts there. So there's a little stepping stool to get up on, steps to get up on the bunk there. Got storage down on that other end, but I like the way it could be a little office in here. So super cool. So there's your little lounge area that makes out to like a bed. There's storage underneath, so you could have quite a big long bed there, really. This unit has, as it's called, great views. That rear kitchen, I really like this. So nice big fridge, a little pantry. It's not the deepest in the world, but work for something there. Of course, TV would go right there if you choose to get a TV, and a little fireplace, sound bar. Okay, I like this hidden room. Reminds me of some of the Halloween movies I'm watching, that library behind the wall or whatever. So there's your controller for the solar panel, for your tankless water heater, the two ACs, does have two ACs, and for the lights and all that. So, and these windows are quite large. I mean, you get a lot of ventilation through there, but very attractive coach. So let's go, and then I love this curved wall they built. So in the bathroom, let's see if I can find my light. There's the toilet, large shower stall, and really sharp looking vanity, big medicine cabinet. And it's got one of those, it's king size bed, 66 by 78, as it says there. Storage underneath, and it's on electric tilt, so it'll go down. Versatilt. And look at these windows. You can wave at your neighbors while you're in bed if you want, I guess. Okay, so the there's the closet and the plumbing. So if you want to wash your stackable washer and dryer, there you go. So this is the 29 View It's a 2024 model, made by Wildwood, by Forest River. Have any questions, comments? I appreciate you watching, guys. It's a lot of fun doing these videos, and I'm gonna have some Halloween stuff on there also, so don't freak out. I'm still RV guy. Thanks so much, and have a great October, guys. Bye.